Bird Paradise is an upcoming aviary located in Mandai, Singapore. Set to open on May 8, 2023, it will replace the Jurong Bird Park and forms a part of the Mandai Wildlife Reserve, which consists of the Singapore Zoo, Night Safari, River Wonders, and the upcoming Rainforest Wild Park. While the park will cover 17 hectares, which is smaller than the previous Jurong Bird Park, it will feature several new attractions and exhibits. In 2016, the Mandai Wildlife Group announced that the Jurong Bird Park would be relocated to a much larger park at Mandai Lake Road by 2020. Consolidating with the three existing wildlife parks together with a new Rainforest Wild Park to form an integrated nature and wildlife precinct known as the Mandai Wildlife Reserve. The construction of Bird Paradise has been a massive undertaking that has taken several years to complete, including the relocation of several rare and endangered bird species to their new habitats. The new park aims to provide visitors with a more immersive and interactive experience with birds and will feature several new attractions, such as a state-of-the-art aviary, bird shows, interactive exhibits, and feeding sessions. Visitors will also have the opportunity to learn about bird conservation and the efforts being made to protect and conserve endangered bird species. The park's opening has been highly anticipated by bird lovers and nature enthusiasts, both locally and internationally. To get to Bird Paradise, visitors can take the Mandai Kadab shuttle from Kadab MRT station, which will transport them directly to the park's entrance. Visitors can also take a taxi or drive to the park, which is located just off Mandai Lake Road. Overall, Bird Paradise promises to be an exciting addition to Singapore's wildlife and nature attractions, providing visitors with a unique and unforgettable experience with birds.